Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transform your photos into a stunning professional portraits with Mivo. So in here, I've already on the Mivo apps. Here you can just swipe through the category at the top and click on the AI photo options. I'm going to go with AI photo boy, and in here you can see there are lots of professional portraits templates, AI effects that you can use. You can see this man in a suit, so there are lots of options that you can choose. For example, I'm going to use this one right here. Click on the photo that you want to use its effect, click to use, and then select your photo. So in here, you need to choose a classic portrait selfie and make sure that there's no abstract in the photo. You can choose a clear photo. Here I'm going to use one, for example. Okay, I'm going to use this one's right here. Click on the photo, and now you can just wait until the effects apply to your photos. So this is the result. Now you can just click on export to save the photo. So that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.